take down the hockey tree here and there again, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. All them things, I see them like I saw do it, you know. Yeah, man. And a big tree they come right down. Everything. Oh, just a go on. Take time work it, is it? Yeah. Now it's down. You see me? It's all down. I cannot use the power and the chain just bust. Pro! I'm just experience, you see me? But anyway, we're here. Working hard with it. You know, sometimes you have to try to put yourself in a position where work seek you out and find you. It's very hard sometimes to find work different. You see me? Yeah. Well, it's all done. And it's all done. Yeah, man. You know how it go. Portion of work still, but you know. Yeah, man. That's to do it. That's it. Another one.